They never take them down, did you?
Yeah, up here they cut them down. You'll see.
Cut them, yeah, that's the one, yeah. I'm sure they do. But who's belong to this? Belong to council?
No, it's a forestry commission.
Forestry? It's the trail where you walk from there. Interesting, all this tree. How tall. Now, if I come here on my own, I'll be lost. Isn't it?